Today we're going to learn how to toss launch the drone. Couple things you need to do. One, you need to make sure you pre-arm your drone. I like to have my pre-arm switch with the left on the left side, and then my arm switch is going to be right here, so that way I can keep it all on the same side and I have this hand free to toss everything. Second thing you're going to want to make sure you do, you're going to want to make sure you have the ability to put your drone into angle mode. Now if you can't put it into angle mode, if it's in acro, it's just going to fly and go wherever. So once it's in angle mode, it's going to have that ability to level itself out, and once you get it out of angle mode, then you can put it into acro mode, and that'll give you the ability to fly around. So if you're in a tough situation, you don't have a launch pad or something like that, now you can throw things. So this just gives you an extra ability to have some fun with it, do some crazy things, and you can just kind of. So watch as I toss this, and when I toss it, it's going to level itself out. And now, we're gonna work on catching our own drone. And we catch our own drones. Woo! Oh, we got a bent prop. See, I had a feeling that was gonna happen today. And that's something that you gotta be okay with is, yeah, we got a messed up prop, which is why it's flying funny all over the place. So that's one of the things you're gonna have to deal with on the first couple times is you're gonna bend some props. You might bend a few different antennas and whatnot, and you gotta be okay with that. That's part of FPV, you're gonna crash. So one other thing you always want to make sure you want to do, use crappy props. I use props that were already messed up, like I just kept them behind, so I mean they're a little mismatched and everything, because you're gonna crash, you're gonna drop it, and it might not take off a few times. Use some crappy props that you're okay with being bent. I mean, I already bent like 3 today, and bring extras, so make sure you bring props that you're like, it's fine if they get messed up. Yeah, you're just gonna toss it up in the air. Make sure you keep your pre-arm down. I like to have everything on the left side. That way I can do it all in one motion. We're gonna toss with the right hand, and then you're gonna keep it in angle mode. When it's in angle mode, that way it's gonna be able to level itself out, because if you're in acro, it's gonna be chaos. And then you can put your goggles back on, and then go into acro later. So again, pre-arm, arm, pretty simple, pretty easy. Woo! Let's go! Now we worked on the toss launch, let's work on the hand catch. What do you say? Woo-hoo! Let's go! So for me, it's just about finding that orientation. You got to find something in the air that you can dictate and you can find. So right now, thankfully I have that green prop, so I know that's the back end. So I need to have that behind, so it's bringing towards me, because you always kind of get disoriented in angle mode. So, and I always make sure, because I have it on this switch, so I always like to leave it on the ground when I pre-arm it and get it out of arming mode, just in case you do not want to chop off a finger. That's gonna hurt. So I got that green prop behind. Woo! That's another catch. Let's try it again, huh? So we're out in the distance. Oh, we're getting kind of good at this, huh? Again, just a few things to remember. Keep that pre-arm switch down. You're gonna wanna make sure you have everything on your left side. It's a lot easier than trying to have this pre-arm, your throttle on your left, and then trying to arm it from the right. So if you can have it on one of these two switches, it just makes things easier. Use some messed up props. It's gonna make your whole life a whole hell of a lot easier. So use some bent, messed up props. You're gonna damage a few. I damaged a few today, even though I've done this a few times. You're gonna damage them. It's gonna happen. Make sure everything's tightened down. You're gonna drop some stuff. I pushed my antenna in. Hopefully I didn't bend it. You're gonna change some settings in Betaflight. Make sure you keep this guy in angle mode. Toss it up one more time just for fun. Whew. See, I had that one. When I was playing around with you guys, I had it in acro mode and it messed it up. So we gotta make sure we keep it in angle mode. Angle, angle, angle. See how it just levels itself out? I see that green prop. Now I can come back towards me. So that's how you hand toss, hand catch your drone. You're gonna get it messy. Look, oh my God, this thing's dirty. So now we gotta clean this guy off when we get home. I got some alcohol wipes and we're gonna clean off that lens. Again, appreciate your guys' support. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that follow button, get those notifications so you can see when I post stuff. If you have anything that you guys want me to talk about, want me to do, want me to, make a video on, please let me know and we'll make any videos you guys want to. If you have any suggestions, have any tips, have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Let me know if I'm doing bad, let me know if I'm doing terrible, and I can make some more videos for you guys. Appreciate you guys' support.